welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. I have a very special video today. I have another box that I'm going to be opening up. This will be some DC shoes. Very excited for these because these are the Shanahan Metric Legacy model. Legacy DCs are my favorite shoes by all time, by far. So really excited to open these up and show you guys them. Let's get started right away. I ordered these right off the website for my birthday. They gave me it was like a 15 to 25% discount. So these were like $100. I got them for like 80. But if you guys sign up on the DC site, you can have the same exact thing. They always send out coupons and whatnot. I'm always getting coupons for it. So we got an invoice. And see, we have the Metric Shanahan. Got these in a 10.5. I can skate a 10, I can skate a 10.5, I can skate an 11, but if I have the option, it'll always be a 10.5. So I believe these are the Metric and the Legacy OGs. We'll check them out. Damn, man, I love it already. Damn, look at these. That blue is so crispy. The other one, they're pretty light too. I thought these would be pretty bulky and heavy, but these are pretty light. Wow, these are perfect looking. I like the strap here in the back. This on the tongue is pretty fly. I like the laces. It's a beautiful shoe. Up close look on these. I'm really liking how this tongue is looking. It's a fly little label on there. Real shiny. Got the red insoles. Take a look at the backs. I really like these. The bottom's perfect. Blue gum. I'm gonna love skating these. Looking real nice. I like how they feel already. Got this tucked in for now. These shoes are looking great. Look how I feel. Overall, I'm really hyped to get these shoes. Shout out to Shanahan for coming out with a shoe. Shout out to DC for always making banging shoes. I'm really hyped to get out there and skate these. So thank you guys for tuning in and watching. If you liked the video, if you want to see more, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.
Love it. I don't need one. I'm already hot as a motherfucker.